Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your card onto your Google Wallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, you can directly access the account by using your Google ID. Once you are logged in and taken inside your wallet, you will see the Add to Wallet button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the payment card option. Click on Payment Card, and you can now enter your card credentials. Go ahead and type in your 16-digit card number and then tap on the Save button underneath. Once you enter your card details, you will be asked to enter the expiration date as well as the CVV number. After entering all of these details, continue forward, and once your information has been verified, your card will be added onto your Google Wallet account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your card onto Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.